welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Daniela and this is where all the fun happens. In today's video, I created this look with the new Desi and Katie collab with Dose of Colors. It's definitely like a surprise to me. I wasn't expecting another collab with Desi and Katie and Dose of Colors. But when I saw those swatches drop, I saw those Instagram videos drop, I knew I had to definitely pick up the new eyeshadow palette. First off, the packaging is beautiful. This is the palette. I'm going to insert swatches so you guys can see up close and personal. And then when I found out that they re-released Fuego highlighter, I was so happy because I wasn't able to pick it up in their first, during their first release. This is the highlighter right here, which I have on now. Okay, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling myself. And then I also, since I had already picked up the over the top gloss in their last collection, I went ahead and picked up, oh, I have like makeup everywhere. So since I already picked up over the top in their last collection, I went ahead and picked up their new gloss, which is the Most. And this is a really pretty, like, clear liquid. It's a very pretty clear gloss with a pink and purple reflex. I have it on the lips right now. So if you guys want to see how I got this eye look and see how the lip gloss and the highlight apply, please keep watching. Up, I just put my lashes on and then applied bottom mascara and applied a little bit of nude liner in my waterline to just like bring the eyes forward because this is a very smoky dark look. Overall, I love the way this came out. I will say I was having a little bit of difficulty blending out the shade Cheens. I don't know if it's because if it's a darker shade and those are harder to blend. I'm not sure. But overall, I love the way this came out. So now we're going to apply the Fuego highlighter, which I definitely missed out on the last release or the first release they had. So I ended up picking up Minervini, which is definitely a darker highlight. Ooh. So this is Minervini and this is Fuego. So as you can tell, Minervini is definitely a darker tone. I'll swatch them. The top is Minervini, so it's like a pink tone highlighter, and the bottom is Fuego, which is definitely gold tone. So now I'm gonna go in and apply some Fuego to the cheekbones. Wow, that is very pretty. I'm gonna just wet my brush because it does feel a little dry. See if on the other side, if by wetting my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, if that kind of intensifies it. definitely a pretty shade, but I am noticing it does emphasize my texture, and it is a little bit on the dry side, if I'm being honest. It's definitely a beautiful shade. I'm going in with a detailed brush to add a little nose highlight. It's a very, very pretty shade, but it's just like, in terms of the texture of the product, it's pretty dry on my skin right now. And I already managed to mess up the product. Looks good though. So I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna dampen my beauty sponge, which needs to go in the garbage. I'm gonna just dampen it a little and kind of blend it out and soften it. A blinding shade, which I love. I could definitely work with it. I just wish the texture was more of like a wet formula. And the last item I picked up, since I already bought the over the top gloss, the last collection I picked up the most, clear gloss with purple and pink reflex, which is beautiful. Look at that. That is stunning. So I did try it on my lips yesterday on its own, and it looked really pretty. So I'm excited to try it on with some lipstick. So the gloss. So I applied the gloss, and it feels so nice on the lips. Very comfortable wear. And I love the color. Where did I put it? I love the color and the shade. I think this is going to look good on top of any lip gloss. I think this looks good on its own. Like I said, I tried it yesterday on its own, and it looks so good. Even on top of any lipstick, it's going to emphasize it and just make your lips look really nice. And like I said, it's comfortable on the lips, so it barely even feels like I have a gloss on. It's not too tacky, so thumbs up with that. I am so pleased and so happy that I was able to pick up a few items from the new Desi and Katie collab with Dose of Colors. I'm going to actually insert swatches of all of the eyeshadows on my arms so you guys can see each and every color. I am planning on doing another look, probably using the these two shades, so using A Moment and Game Over. I was thinking of doing maybe one video and doing like one eye with one shade and one eye with the other. So let me know down in the comments below if that's something you'd want to see. But that is my completed look using the new Desi and Katie collab with Of Colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, they added an extra lipstick. It's actually their Sauvage liquid lip from their original Dose of Colors collab. So this is like an extremely dark purple liquid lip, which is perfect for the fall. Again, thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.